Can you imagine relieving 5 common health problems in just 2 days using ingredients you already have in your kitchen? It sounds incredible, doesn't it? But what if I told you that castor oil and baking soda have powerful, scientifically proven properties that can help treat everything from joint pain to skin infections? This trick is gaining popularity, and today you'll discover why it could be the solution to several of your ailments. Have you ever felt frustrated with the slowness of conventional medications or the side effects that seem never-ending? Get ready to discover a natural, accessible, and incredibly effective alternative. We're not talking about temporary solutions. This combination has lasting benefits and could be the key to transforming your health sustainably. If you're looking for quick and natural results, or simply want to improve your quality of life, stick around until the end. What you're about to discover could change your perspective on healthcare forever. So, subscribe now and join us on this journey toward a healthier life. Before diving into how these ingredients can transform your health, it's important to understand why castor oil and baking soda are so effective. Each one has natural properties that make them unique allies in combating various health problems. Castor oil. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant and has been used for centuries in different cultures for its healing properties. This oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid with potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These characteristics make it especially useful for relieving pain and reducing inflammation, both in joint problems and skin infections. Additionally, castor oil acts as a carrier agent. This means it helps other compounds, such as baking soda, penetrate deeply into the skin's layers, thus enhancing their effects. For this reason, many people use it as a topical remedy on areas of pain or inflammation and have seen significant improvements in a short time. Baking soda. Now, let's talk about baking soda, another staple ingredient you likely have at home. Beyond being a powder we use for cooking or cleaning, baking soda has alkalizing properties that are beneficial to the body. It helps balance the body's pH, which is essential for maintaining an environment less prone to inflammation and certain types of infections. Its ability to neutralize acids makes it an effective option for reducing stomach acidity and soothing inflamed areas on the skin. Recent studies have shown that baking soda can even positively influence the immune system, helping to reduce internal inflammation. But what happens when we combine these two ingredients? This is where the real magic happens. Together, castor oil and baking soda form a synergistic solution that can be applied directly to the skin or, in some cases, and always under medical supervision, ingested for specific benefits. This mixture works in 2 ways. Castor oil allows the baking soda to penetrate deeply, bringing its alkalizing effects to inflamed or infected areas. Thus, they can provide fast and lasting relief for common problems such as pain, infections, and congestion. With this powerful combination of properties, it's easy to understand why so many people are turning to castor oil and baking soda as a natural alternative to improve their health and quality of life. Benefit 1. Relief of joint pain and inflammation. One of the most effective benefits of this combination is its ability to relieve pain and reduce inflammation in the joints. If you've ever experienced joint pain or chronic inflammation, you know how debilitating it can be. Simple movements like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs become real challenges. The good news is that castor oil and baking soda offer a natural solution that can help you feel relief in just a few days. Castor oil is especially effective at reducing inflammation due to its high ricinoleic acid content, which acts directly on pain and inflammation receptors. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology revealed that the topical application of castor oil can significantly reduce inflammation and swelling in conditions like arthritis. Ricinoleic acid works by inhibiting the chemical compounds responsible for pain, providing fast and natural relief. For its part, baking soda acts as an alkalizing agent. This means it helps neutralize the acids that might be exacerbating inflammation in the joints. Many people with rheumatoid arthritis, for example, experience pain due to the buildup of uric acid in the joints. When we apply baking soda, we balance the pH in the affected area, creating an environment less prone to inflammation. To use this castor oil and baking soda mixture, start by preparing a homogeneous paste by mixing 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a small container. The consistency should be thick enough to adhere well to the skin. Before applying it, clean and dry the affected area to promote absorption. Then, place the mixture directly on the joint or painful area, gently massaging in circular motions to maximize the benefits. Cover the area with a clean cloth or gauze, and secure it with a soft bandage to keep the mixture in place. Let it act for at least an hour. If possible, apply it at night and let it work while you sleep. For constant relief, repeat the process twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. This regular use can help effectively reduce inflammation and provide lasting relief. Many who have tried this method report a significant reduction in pain and improvement in mobility after just a few days of use. Moreover, unlike certain conventional treatments, this mixture is completely natural and does not have aggressive side effects. Remember that this treatment is safe and natural. But if you have a chronic condition, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before making changes to your health routine. Benefit 2. Digestive improvement and reduction of abdominal inflammation. Castor oil and baking soda are a powerful combination for relieving common digestive problems and reducing abdominal inflammation naturally. Castor oil is known for its laxative effect, which stimulates intestinal movement and helps relieve constipation gently but effectively. When used in small amounts and under medical supervision, castor oil helps food move more smoothly through the digestive system, thus reducing bloating and helping the body eliminate accumulated waste. For its part, baking soda acts as a potent acid neutralizer, balancing the stomach's pH. If you suffer from acidity, reflux, or digestive discomfort after meals, this compound can be of great help. By reducing stomach acidity, baking soda relieves uncomfortable symptoms such as burning and abdominal pressure, offering almost immediate relief. In fact, studies in the field of gastroenterology suggest that alkaline solutions, like baking soda, can improve digestive function and reduce indigestion. To take advantage of these benefits, you can apply castor oil excellently on the abdominal area. Gently massaging will help stimulate digestion and relieve inflammation. Alternatively, you can ingest a small amount of baking soda dissolved in water to relieve acidity and promote more balanced digestion, always under professional guidance. This combination is also effective for those suffering from chronic digestive issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), as it helps improve bowel movement, reduce inflammation, and eliminate abdominal discomfort in a lasting way. Benefit 3. Skin infections and accelerating healing. Castor oil and baking soda are a highly effective natural solution for treating skin infections and speeding up the healing process. Castor oil has powerful antimicrobial properties thanks to its high ricinoleic acid content, which effectively fights bacteria and fungi that often cause infections. This antimicrobial property makes castor oil ideal for applying to wounds, minor cuts, and areas affected by infections, as it not only helps disinfect, but also reduces inflammation, relieves pain, and accelerates skin regeneration. On the other hand, baking soda is known for its ability to cleanse and purify the skin, acting as a gentle exfoliant that removes dead cells and helps restore pH balance in affected areas. This alkaline effect of baking soda creates a hostile environment for microorganisms, preventing bacteria and fungi from thriving. This is especially useful for fungal infections, such as athlete's foot or infections in areas where moisture can be a problem. To apply this combination for treating skin infections, mix a small amount of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda until it forms a paste. Apply this mixture directly to the affected area, massaging gently to help the ingredients penetrate the skin. Let the mixture sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water and drying thoroughly. For better results and faster healing, you can apply this mixture once or twice a day until the infection disappears. This treatment is a natural and gentle alternative to commercial antimicrobial products, offering a safe and effective way to care for your skin without harsh chemicals. Benefit 4. Nasal decongestion and respiratory relief. The duo of castor oil and baking soda is not only useful for skin and digestive problems, but can also become your secret ally to relieve nasal congestion and improve breathing quickly and naturally. If you've ever suffered from a stuffy nose, you know how uncomfortable it can be. That constant pressure in your sinuses, difficulty breathing, and the feeling of fatigue that comes with a lack of air. Here is where castor oil and baking soda work their magic. Castor oil, when applied excellently around the nose and sinus area, has an anti-inflammatory effect that helps reduce swelling of the mucous membranes, which facilitates the opening of the airways. By massaging a bit of this oil on the bridge of the nose and around the sinuses, you can not only relieve pressure, but also stimulate circulation in the area, which naturally contributes to decongestion and greater ease of breathing. On the other hand, baking soda is an excellent decongestant when used in the form of a saline solution. By mixing a pinch of baking soda with warm water and using the solution in a nasal rinse with a bottle or a neti pot, you help eliminate excess mucus and reduce internal inflammation. This rinse cleanses the nasal passages of bacteria and allergens, which immediately relieves congestion and provides a sensation of freshness. Together, these two ingredients tackle nasal congestion from the outside and inside, providing comprehensive relief. The combination is ideal for those who suffer from sinusitis, seasonal allergies, or colds. Additionally, unlike commercial decongestants, this alternative is gentle, natural, and free of side effects, so you can use it repeatedly without worrying about addiction or irritation. Breathing deeply has never been so easy. Benefit 5. Relief from headaches and migraines. Castor oil and baking soda not only help with joint, digestive, and respiratory problems, but also offer a surprising additional benefit. They can provide relief from headaches and migraines, something that those who suffer from them know can transform their day. Can you imagine freeing yourself from a persistent headache without having to resort to strong medications? This natural combination offers a gentle yet effective approach to tackling pain from multiple angles. Castor oil has traditionally been used to relieve headaches thanks to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. When applied to the correct areas, such as the forehead, temples, and neck, the oil penetrates the skin and reduces inflammation that often contributes to the onset of these pains. Studies have shown that ricinoleic acid, the main compound in castor oil, acts as a natural pain reliever, relaxing blood vessels and tense muscles that can cause headaches and migraines. On the other hand, baking soda can play a key role in headaches caused by pH imbalances in the body. When our body becomes too acidic, whether due to a diet high in processed foods or stress, discomfort, including headaches, can arise. By drinking a mild solution of baking soda dissolved in water, you can neutralize this acidity, promoting a pH balance that reduces tension in the body and relieves those uncomfortable pains. Additionally, baking soda helps maintain hydration, which is essential to prevent and alleviate migraines. To take advantage of these benefits, try this natural method when you feel a headache coming on. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your temples, forehead, and neck, gently massaging each area for a few minutes. Then, if the headache seems related to tension or diet, dissolve a pinch of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. Many people who have tried this approach report that the pain diminishes quickly and in some cases disappears completely. This relief, unlike some pain relievers, has no side effects, allowing you to use it as often as needed. In less than an hour, you could feel the pain decrease. And the best part is that you'll be using a natural, safe method to feel better. Say goodbye to headaches naturally. Now that you know the hidden power of castor oil and baking soda, you hold in your hands a natural solution that can relieve pain, improve your well-being, and transform your health in just 48 hours. These simple and accessible ingredients can be the first step toward a healthier lifestyle, free of unnecessary chemicals. Imagine regaining those days lost to pain, breathing deeply without obstructions, and enjoying life without the discomforts that held you back. It's not magic. It's nature at its finest, offering you simple remedies that have proven their value throughout the centuries. So why not give this natural power a chance? Sometimes, the simplest solutions leave the deepest impact. Try this combination, and you may discover that you already have the power to improve your quality of life right in your kitchen. Did you know that natural ingredients like castor oil and baking soda can transform your health in just 48 hours, relieving pain, improving digestion, and fighting infections? Now imagine enhancing those natural benefits right from the start of your day with a cup of coffee that does more than just wake you up. Introducing Java Burn, the natural coffee enhancer that turns your daily brew into a clean energy boost, accelerates your metabolism, and helps curb hunger, all without fillers or artificial additives. Just like natural remedies, Java Burn is designed to deliver sustainable results and improve your long-term well-being. Ready to start your mornings with energy and unlock the power of nature? Click the link in the description to discover how Java Burn can revolutionize your health and your day. Don't forget to subscribe to the Wellness Insight, like and share this video, comment with any questions, and watch the next video for more natural health tips that can change your life. Transform your routine one natural solution at a time.